Yoga Flow to Stretch Your Body Part 2. This series of simple stretches is designed to help you improve your flexibility, strength, and energy. Find a comfortable place and do this flow to boost your mood, relieve stress, and recharge for the day. Sit in Vajrasana, tabletop pose. Do Marjari bittilasana, cat and cow for 3 reps. Extended puppy pose. Side plank with the knee down. Forward plank. Lift your right leg up and down. Lift your left leg up and down. Stand in tadasana. Utkatasana, chair pose. Parivrita Utkatasana. Now to Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Raise your hands up. Virabhadrasana 2 or Warrior 2. Viparita Virabhadrasana, Reverse Warrior. Now sit in Malasana, garland pose. Dandasana. Ardha matsyendrasana. Titliasana, butterfly pose. And now relax in sukhasana. Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy.